Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a Geely.io, a fantastic platform for community engagement, questing, and earning rewards. If you're ready to get started, this step-by-step tutorial for you. We will start the very basic, creating your Geely accounts. Open your browser and navigate to Geely.io. On the home page, you will see the sign up or get started button. Click. Geely offers a few options to sign up, and you can use your Discord account, connect your crypto wallet, or use a standard email address. We will use email for this guide. It's common basic. It's a common in many Web3 communities. Once you select email, you will be promoted to uh, code option. Send your code option. Then simply copy your code by from your Gmail and then paste on that. Simply copy and paste on here, and then choose a username for Geely. You can choose whatever you want. I'm choosing Malakmia, it's my username. Then get started. Congratulations, you have created a Geely account. Now time to set up your profile. A good profile makes a great impression. Upload a profile picture, maybe your avatar logo, by clicking here. Click account settings. Then click image. Then you can input your image. I'm not updating it on. I will show how to link others' profile or accounts. Click on connect your Discord accounts. Simply connect. It will redirect to your Discord account. Click authorize. Then it will redirect to your Geely account again. Done. You have connected your Discord account. Now connect your Twitter. Authorize Geely. You can connect your TikTok account and your Telegram accounts when you want, but I'm not connecting now. I have already on my main account. This is just tutorial account, not my main account. You can connect your wallet. It's a very important steps to receive rewards. Always double check to connect your address. Simply connect wallet, click, then select MetaMask, and then connect. Then sign your accounts. This is the way to prove your account's authority. You have done. Now click. Done. You have connected your accounts. You can click display wallet to show your wallet to others, but I'm recommending you to hide your wallet or others accounts for your safety. Now your account is set up at Zilly or about communities. Here's the event link. You can explore here. To start earning, you need to join a community or a space. You can search a specific community in have an invitation code. You can search here. Like I'm searching for uh like example crypto seed done, and I will click on this event. Or if you have an invitation or explore training on so many pages, once you find one, click join and make sure read and accept their specific rules. You can read, but I'm not reading now. I will stay broke. Then you can click join, then you complete your all tasks. You already completed your profile. If required Telegram connection, but I have no uh, connected Telegram accounts, so I'm skipping this. You can simply connect Telegram account or visiting link, then can claim your rewards. I'm sorry to say that I can show you that I have not completed any of tasks. I'm going to another one. There, allow me to. I'm joining here. Oh my god, there's a massive tax. Sorry to say that I'm not able to show you. This is the main theme, or a steps to earn a G from a G. Now, a quick summary of the steps on screen text. You always take with: create your accounts, complete your profile, and connect your wallet. Join a community or a space. Start taking those quests and earn XP. Zilli is an excellent tool for project growth and community. Take your time, explore the platform, and